Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and initiating the official path. Back up with High Suite or Cloud, charge to at least 50%, and join a stable Wi-Fi network. Once done, open Settings Right Arrow System, Right Arrow Software Update, and tap Check for updates. This queries Huawei servers for the Emui 10 package that exactly matches your device model. Make sure your model and region firmware are identical to avoid incompatible packages, because flashing the wrong file will fail and may brick the device. You now manage the heavier middle process. Tap Download and watch progress until it reaches 100%, since partial downloads can't install. Once complete, the system prepares the update. Make sure you don't reboot or interrupt. Close background apps and keep the phone awake. The installer will prompt to install and will reboot automatically. During this phase, the device may restart multiple times while migrating data and optimizing apps. This sequence ensures system files are properly replaced, and user data is migrated to Emui 10. You complete the process by signing into accounts and verifying settings and app behavior. Expect some apps to reoptimize on first boot. If installation fails, use High Suite on a PC to retry the official update, or use its system recovery function to restore proper firmware. This avoids unofficial methods. Make sure you have a backup before attempting recovery. Only perform a factory reset as a last resort, because it clears user data. Restore your backup afterward to get back to a working Emui 10 setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.